So, this cow is having a dystocia. Dystocia because this is the normal at ito naman yung hindi normal. Yung nakauna yung paa sa likod. Ginawa ko, nilagyan ko ng lubricant dito na part para madaling i-pull out yung baby. So I have to help her to release this baby because she's having a hard time. So pwede itong ikamatay niya. So ginawa ko, nag-assist ako sa kanya. Ito yung ginawa ko. Okay, so fortunately buhay naman yung baby, so I have to save her para hindi maapakan. Ayan, takbo. So babae po ito, babaeng calf.